This is El Nido. You might be wondering why I'm leaving this beautiful beach on a hot sunny day, why I'm not staying here in Nakpan Beach. But I'm actually catching a scooter. I rented a scooter today, so I'm gonna head down to El Nido. So I'm gonna go check that out and then come back here later on for a sunset cruise here at the Mad Monkey Hostel. Today, I'm going on Island Hopping Tour A, Lagoons and Beaches. I got here a bit early, so let's grab breakfast at a restaurant right here on the beach in El Nido. Tour A visits the Secret Lagoon, Shimizu Island, 7 Commandos Beach, and Big Lagoon. Each stop offers a clear glimpse of the natural beauty in Bacuit Bay. Welcome to Big Lagoon. We anchored our banca and hopped into kayaks, paddled by local guides, and entered Big Lagoon. Now it's over to Shimizu Island for a delicious Filipino lunch on the beach. It's time to stop and go for a snorkel. Now for the final stop of the day. It's a beautiful beach lined with palm trees. This is 7 Commandos Beach. And I've arrived back in El Nido. If you want to book this boat tour, I've linked it below in the description. If you're looking for a hostel to stay at in El Nido, I've also linked these two for you. It's time to walk back to my scooter and drive 40 minutes back to the Mad Monkey Hostel on beautiful Nakpan Beach. After all, I have a sunset cruise to catch tonight. I realized the parking lot I paid for today was actually in support of the local school. It was really cool to see. I watched the performance for a bit before quietly sneaking out with my scooter. Hey, do you want unlimited data on your phone while you travel? Well, an eSIM from Totally Untethered is for you. I founded Totally Untethered because freedom is everything when you travel. Land in a new country and connect instantly, affordably, and stress-free. Totally Untethered exists for people who crave freedom. The backpackers, digital nomads, solo adventurers, and anyone tired of being told you're out of data while on the move. The world isn't meant to be traveled in slow motion. Your eSIM shouldn't slow you down either. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and travel untethered with one of our unlimited data eSIMs.